Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google account. So first, open your Google Chrome and then go to google.com. Now here, you need to make sure that you log into your account that you want to delete. Now tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Now right over here, you have an option to tap this manage your Google account. Now right over here, you can see the tab at the top. So you need to tap on data and privacy. Now right here, as you can see, you need to scroll down until the bottom. And you can see right here the delete your Google account option. So tap this to delete your entire account and data. And then right over here, you need to re-enter your password to verify that it's you. So enter your password right here. Now, once you've done, you are now on the final page. So you can see you need to download your data. So you can download your data before deleting your account right here. You just tap this download your data. Now at the bottom, you need to check these two boxes right here. And then once you've done, you can now tap this blue button, which is delete account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you in the next video.